Let's talk about Helldivers error code fix. Login failed FUD in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But fear not, brave Helldiver. We've delved deep into the galactic network. Gathering vital intelligence on this persistent foe, we will explore various troubleshooting strategies and actionable solutions to help you conquer error code, ensuring you can return to spreading managed democracy without delay. Before diving into complex fixes, always confirm the Helldivers. Servers are actually operational. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all, but a widespread outage affecting everyone. A quick check on official social media or community forums can save you a lot of headache. If the servers are down, unfortunately, all you can do is wait patiently for Super Earth's tech teams to restore order. It might sound simple, but a full restart is often the most effective first step. Completely close Helldivers, then reboot your core console entirely. This clears temporary data, refreshes network connections, and can resolve many minor software conflicts causing the login error. Give it a shot. You'd be surprised how often it works. Corrupted or missing game files can absolutely lead to login issues like error code. On Steam, simply right-click Helldivers, go to Properties, then Local Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For console players, try reinstalling the game entirely. If previous steps fail, this ensures your game installation is pristine and ready for deployment. Sometimes the problem lies with your own connection to Super Earth servers. Try power cycling your router and modem by unplugging them for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable link. Also, temporarily disabling any or firewall software might help, as they can sometimes interfere with the game's connection.